Hello, 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 hello. Back again. Whew, yesterday was fun. I hope today is just as much fun. Starting a little bit. Yep. Just the music. I'm starting a little bit later than I did yesterday. I had a lot of work to do today. But I'll probably also be finishing a little bit later than I did yesterday. So yesterday I actually worked on a pull request which I need to update because I cooked beans. Oh come on, let's open a new tab. I did some cleanups of the. This is still killing me. This is some cleanup of the Made Nigeria project that we're working on. But then as I was doing that, I realized that what's it called? Wait, this is never used. It's not as responsive as it should be. So I'm going to be making some updates today to make it like a little bit more responsive, just in general. We're building on CodeSandbox, so that's where all our software development is going on, all online on CodeSandbox. I have no local environment set up whatsoever. But yeah, so I think I had. Yeah, so this is what should look better now. No, this is not what. Is this what I did? What's going on? Okay, so this was it. This is what we had. Why is it not looking different here? It's looking like just one. Oh, but this is what I was saying about the grid, right? So instead of the grid to properly bring them out to for more effectiveness, the grid. Oh, sorry, my face is in the way. Let me just open a new tab. So instead of the grid to make it work properly for mobile responsiveness, what the grid does is it just leaves it alert, and that's not what we want. So Today my plan is to make this either like in the same width of the container, so everything stays in the middle, and make this grid responsive. Once that is done, I'll probably wrap up. But that's basically how it goes for today. Make the header look like let it fit in the middle, and but yeah, we also had we had nice design we're working with. In case you missed it last time, we are working with designs, very nice designs by the way. Where is it? Loading. Alright, so I think when I was checking the Chakra UI website yesterday, it's basically that I have to use simple grid to be able to bring out that responsiveness. So by default, if you check the grid here, yeah, it is responsive quite alright. It is responsive for them. For some reason it's not for me, and I think it's because I need to use simple grid instead. So this for any interface grid responsive grid layout to use. Yeah. So this is what I'm gonna try now and just see how change to simple grid and see how that works. So I just import instead of grid, just make it simple grid. Then we use it here and here. Are there any specific attributes that I need to look out for? It's probably the same thing. So columns. Oh, I see. So with the columns, I can pass how I want it to look on small screens. So I think for me it will be columns is yeah. Wait, why is it looking so weird like this? Yeah. I'm going to take this, and then for this guy, it's not using template columns anymore. I'm going to say on small screens I want it to have 1, and then on medium screens just 3. So here that shows one card at it go, or it shows 3 at it go. Meaning I don't know this guy. So now we'll go see. Let's go see what's up. Okay, one sec. Is that what? But I don't need the quotes because I'm using the braces. And it's the same for this one too, to be honest. So I'm just gonna refresh. Nice. So we have 3, quite alright. And if you bring it back to mobile, how many do we have? Yep, we have 1 of each again. Nice, as it should be. But then we have this padding or margin issues again. I don't know where that's from. That is weird. So we are going to investigate that yet again. Oh, looks like it's probably a container. The container has its own margin. And this affect the container has its own margin. The button has its own margin. I could have sworn I changed this thing to 5. So that's button, okay. So if that's the case for this guy, for these cards, there's a problem with the margin or the width. Problem seems to be the width. But why is that the case? Is it my eyes or is just too wide? To make this, okay, I'm gonna go back to making this 5, and then just set the maximum width to 80, maybe. But if that's it, how does it look on the web? It looks okay on the web, if you ask me, and it's not so bad on mobile as well. Okay, let's change to 80 view it, and then keep the margin the way it is. Wait, I did that in the cards earlier for each of the components basically. So I kept this at 80 for both, right? For the article card and for the project card, keep it at 80. That should give us a bit of yeah, it looks in the middle, everything is nice. But then I don't know why excuse me. There's this scroll thingy with, I'm guessing it's with the footer. Either with the footer or with the nav bar. But let's open it up on the big screen. Back here. If you're in chat, do not hesitate to say hello. I got you. So I'm thinking it's the footer that is weird. So if the footer is there, okay, the scroll bar is still there. So what's causing the scroll bar? The body? The mouth. Of course it's body. It is this header. Something weird is happening with the header. That's causing. Okay, we'll get to that. Let's refresh. So basically, there's something weird happening with the header. What did I just do? That's making it span across the width of the screen, right? Hello, Bami. How's it going? Welcome to the stream. Hope you're having a good day. I always feel so cracked up. I'm working with Chakra UI, building a Made in Nigeria project with CodeSandbox. So if you look at this, this is the parent, right? And then the thing inside extends, it's probably the padding. Is it the padding? I'm thinking there's a margin somewhere that makes it weird. That's be a margin that's making it weird. Yeah, there has to be something somewhere making it weird. Yeah, it is coming along nicely. This is the design we are going for. Where's my screen? It's still loading. I don't know why it's taking so long to load. But yeah, trying to debug this header. Was it loaded? Let me refresh. All right. This guy is playing with me. This guy is playing with me. Yeah, so there's probably one of these containers that is overextending itself when you shouldn't. And I'm thinking it's this guy. I'm just checking everything. I have no idea why I'm doing this. Oh. Oh, that's for what's going on? I'm missing something. I don't know what it is. I'm just unchecking everything, to be honest. All right, I think the design should be loaded now. Yeah, so we have that's the design on the web. Really nice, really fancy. So we are still building towards that. Should come out good, I guess. Should come out good. There's something I'm missing here. I'm not getting it. Something is causing this space. This piece at the end. I thought I saw what it was before, but now I can't see it anymore. Well, let's refresh. It has to be this navbar. I'm almost certain it's this navbar. Because this is the what? This is the main div. What div is this? What is just Gatsby shit? This is the header spanning over that way, right? This is the body the header is supposed to fit into. So this is where the problem is. I just need to figure out what the problem is inside it. I'm not seeing anything that implies that this is the problem. Wait, listen. Alas, looks like it's not the problem. No. Something fishy going on. It has to be the problem. Something is going on here. Something has to be going on here because it's when I deleted the container that the guy said to. So maybe it's me that is actually cooking beans. Something weird is going on here. So if the width is 100%, great. This is not me. There's probably something very tiny that I'm missing and it's annoying me. At first I thought it was the header, right? So if I take this header now and I delete it, what's going on? It's not the header, right? It is clearly not the header. So let's say it's probably the footer. Let's say it's the footer, right? This is the footer. It disappears. So is it the footer? Maybe. Looks like it's the footer. But at this point, I'm almost certain that it's just doing vibes. It's whatever he likes that he's doing. So I just think it's doing vibes. Because I'm not seeing anything that is creating the margin. Oh, this 100 view width. Why is that a problem? That should not be a problem because the footer is... Wait. That should not be a problem, should it? Unless there's no margin. So the 100 view width is not the issue, right? I mean, at least we found the solution. But it should not be a problem. It shouldn't be a problem, right? Well, no, let me just take it off for now and see what's up. If I take it off, everything works fine. So refresh. Real quick to the footer. Remove the width. Oh, see, now that this is a madness. Now that I remove the width, it's probably both of them. It's probably the header. See, it's the header and the footer. Okay, so it's the header and the footer. Instead of doing 100 view width, do 100% instead. That should solve the problem. So there were two things causing the issue. That's why when I move one and it's moving mad, I'm like, why are you not the issue, right? So the two of them were the issues because they were doing view weight, and probably because of the scroll bar, you had to like wasn't the full weight of the screen, but was also like adding adjustment because of the scroll bar. So it was adding additional scroll. So now that it's 100%, I don't need to scroll to left or right. Okay, so that's that. I need to go to the footer and the header and move them from 100 view weight to 100%. See? Problem number one solved. Where was it though? Header. Nope. Wait, where was that guy? I was saying navbar. I thought it was a navbar. Yeah, 100 view weight. So just do 100%, 100%, so 100 full width. Because of the scroll, I think that's what's causing the issue. Anyways, so now if you look at the mobile view, it's starting to look good. Everything looks nice. See our project. We're not there yet. We're not in the design yet. Like this is what the eventual design is going to look like. We're not there yet, but a lot of the structure is starting to take place. I think for the landing page, probably structure this better. Do this jumbotron better. Let me zoom in. Yeah. Do the jumbotron better. No, I don't think it's done yet, but we make the jumbotron exist, create it basically. Categorize this one properly with like featured project, centralize the button. I've seen this component before. I don't know why it's not here anymore, but yeah, this component added to it. Show the articles. We need to fetch them from. I was planning on using Netlify's CMS. They have a Markdown CMS that would probably work for this. I think it's API based. That doesn't work with maybe Nox content or something. But I'm using Catfish, I use Nox content, but an equivalent. And then outside of that, the home page is done. But right now we have this, and I think what will make this start to make sense is to centralize these buttons and also like bring this menu guy to the middle. So while we're at that, real quick, getting a bunch of notifications today. So real quick, let's see. What am I working on? The navbar, make it centralized. So the navbar at the moment is doing a full width thingy, where it's starting from that full corner to this full end. But I would like it instead to do this container width. So I'll change to Chakra container, right? And we need to do that for the menu. So probably like this guy. Let me see how it will look first. I'm just clear it. He said no. So don't talk to me. Anyways, with Chakra UI, you can use the container with the maximum one. All I just need to do is import the container from Chakra UI React. Do we have that yet? Nope. So import the container. Import the container, and then so for the header, it's fine for the header to be 100%, which is this main guy. But the one that contains the logo, wait, that's this guy actually. So this box that is this flex here is the one that I actually need to be a container. Let's see. So I just need to change it to container. I'll probably close it at the end. Oh, I should have checked for where it's closing though. This is Wala. This is Wala. How many boxes do we have? So we have 2 boxes. Wait, what? So this box closes here, this flex closes here, and that box opens here, and that box closes here. The Java closes, Java overlay, Java content, Java closes like this. The first box is, yeah, this is one that we change to container. No, not this one. You're joking, right? Wait, one. I see. I see, my bad. So it's supposed to be box. Container is just the one before the drawer, right? So it's this one. Yeah. Come on, that's the case. Come on. Am I dreaming? What am I? No, wait. Something weird is happening. So this is the first box, the main box, right? 100% there. And this is the second box. And I'm not doing anything with the second box, right? Which is this, that's this one and this one. This drawer is here. This box is with this guy. That's for the nav ref. This box is with this guy. That's for the search bar. But that should not be the case. Something weird is happening. The same is this guy. But I don't think he's that guy, to be fair. Oh, I see it is. So I see what my mistake was. So this is where chaos begins, right? Because now that I'm saying this container now should be, I'm going to take the class. So it's going to be, wait, I think I did it in the index, right? In the index. So I did container max width is this guy. And then I took out the remaining, all these other things, right? So it's going to be container. So there's this guy, display flags. Still looking weird. It's just my eyes. Okay, there's also another problem. The border that is put here, the border should not be there. Yeah, that border should not be there. So we need to get rid of that border first of all. I want this container board. I don't want it to have padding. I need this container to not have padding. or at least not this padding on Excel. Yeah, I need it to be like this. How would I do that? So it's padding on the x-axis I don't want. So that should be px 0. Yeah. So px should be 0. I don't want any padding on left and right. No, I'm just going to delete all of this and say padding on medium screen and above. Padding should be 0, basically. Just be 0. Does that work? Limao. Nope. Nope, that does not work. That does not work. Okay. I need to do something about this then. But I need to remove this margin. That one is certain. But it's different from saying margin 0, I think. I think that's the point. Same margin, same padding, like not putting any padding value and putting padding 0 is different, right? So that's padding 1rem. Okay, so 1rem is fine. I can live with that, I think. But yeah, I can live with 1rem. Why is it 7.5 rem? That's top and bottom, left and right. Okay, I'm just gonna do here. There's 1rem. And then once that is done, we need to remove the border. That border is not necessary for us. That border needs to be on the taller guy, right? Border needs to be border bottom, so not just not the generic border. It has to be border bottom. We look at the design. Yeah, just border bottom. Yep, so border bottom. Yep, border bottom. So yeah, we just move border color. So we're almost there. I'm going to do border bottom. I think I'm missing something here. What am I doing? Nice. So that's it, right? That's it. Um, there's still a little bit of stuff with the padding that I need to look into. But outside of that, it's looking pretty good. So this guy here is also smaller. We'll get to that later. I think I'm not liking the margin on this guy here. So if you look at this container, it's the same thing, but there's a padding inline of 4. But then on my guy up here, doesn't seem to be a padding inline. No, there isn't. What am I missing? I'm missing something here. Sorry with the padding thing. Let's see. Yeah, so the home page looks better now. Probably need to figure out this footer later on. But this, let me see if I can centralize this guy right now, to be honest. So I'm going to import center here. I'm going to use center for the secondary button. Does that work? Yep. And for the primary button here. So yeah, I think that pretty much starts to take a little bit of shape. Yeah, probably gonna just push in the pull request now. Double inbox of box on the pages.index file. That's probably on me. I don't see box here. I didn't use box at all. Okay, so that's looking pretty good now. Let me just check the mobile view real quick. Yeah. I'll push. All right. What's happening here? But this has been something new since the last time because this is looking funny. It's looking mad funny. Let's try. So we have some of the conflict here. This is what I have. This is what was there before, I think. Yeah, so a bit by Nigerians. Oh, I see. So, oh, I see. So this one was not with me before. I think I took it out. That's probably on me. Or I merged it maybe afterwards. So this two should be here. I'm not sure I need the box anymore, but we'll figure that out as I go down. Okay, no, let's delete this first because no longer necessary. Then for the idea, this is the change that I made. This change that was there before, and it's using the box here for this guy. And although I'm not using like any of those boxes anymore. Wait, you did that after the article. Is that how the design says? Is it after the article? One's supposed to be before the article, one's supposed to be after the article. Okay, cool. So we'll take this. After this center, I take this guy. Although I'm not going to use a box for him, to be honest. But we'll take this guy and put him after the sum before the articles. Okay, so that means I can take out this entire guy here because it's not needed. And I can take out this entire guy here. That should resolve our conflict. Oh, and this guy too. Nice. So when I say box is not defined, so the thing I'm not even sure how to do box yet. So what I'm going to do is first, let me just import box to be honest. Let's just be safe and just import box. Okay, now what do we have here? Okay, so I switch it around the other way. So right now there's just some margin business that needs to happen. But yeah, let's leave this for now and see how it goes. Nice, nice. So if you read the PR now, it should make more sense. Okay. Nice. So thank you all for stopping by. It was fun. Just a little bit of edits today. Heading out in a minute, so I should stream again tomorrow and just continue working on the project. But if I don't, such is life. Well, I'll see you guys later. Cheers.